In today's video, I'll show you how to create custom email templates in MS Dynamics CRM. These templates streamline communication and enhance customer engagement. Start by opening your Dynamics 365 CRM app, such as the Sales Hub. Click the gear icon in the top right corner to access advanced settings. Then, in the navigation panel, go to Templates arrow Email Templates. Click Plus New to create a fresh template. First, give it a template name like New Lead Welcome for easy identification. Next, set a subject line that clearly reflects your email content. Optionally, choose a language if you want to personalize communication for global audiences. Set the category and permission levels to control who can access or modify the template. Then, use the rich text editor to design your email content, add images, and format text to match your brand. Once done, click Save or Save and Close. And that's it. Your custom email template is ready to use, ensuring professional, consistent, and time-saving communication in your CRM.